So what is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So I don't know why I did that. I'm starting this vlog pretty early I'm starting it pretty late. It's like almost 4:30 in the afternoon. Today I just have some tutoring to do from like 6 to 9 usually. Okay, also I forgot. Oh, whoa, that's like exposure to the world. Oh, other way. Yes, Joey. Go look at the world. Have some self-care. Go. Go. Look outside. Look here. Here are your friends. Show them what your toy's about. So cute. Yeah. I am Sit 해야지, sit. Joey Newell. Good boy. Joey hand. Good boy. Alright. Ready? Go! Do any dog owners like to just Do you ever realize that we're living with animals? Like an animal? Like we have an actual living animal here with us. And they can't talk to us in the same language. They don't listen to us sometimes. I just find it crazy that we're living with an animal and they lick us and they bite us and they pee in our house, they poo, we pick it up for them. Just find it crazy. You're an animal, Joey. You're not human. Oh, it's Jonathan.
Hello. Hello. How are you? How you been? How was you today? Hey.
Hey, what? 뭐야? What is this, 수박? I don't like 수박.
응, 불고기 좀 구워줄까? 그래서 불고기 덮밥.
Oh yeah, that sounds good.
응?
Yeah.
불고기 1인분만 해갖고서 덮밥 해 먹고.
Wait, this actually is not that bad.
어?
수박, this is not bad.
그러니까 괜찮네. 요즘 무슨 수박 요구르트 같아? 아 진짜 하지 말래는데 정말 자꾸.
So can we have an interview about what's going on over here?
Nothing going on here.
You're literally doing something. What are you doing?
I'm making dinner for you.
You sound a bit stressed.
Because you're putting camera on frame. No, I don't like that.
Why?
Take it away.
Take it away.
Put it away.
Take it away, Jonathan. Take it away.
Put it away. You want cheese on it? Cheese?
Oh.
Hmm? Do we have cheese?
Yeah, it's in the 첫 번째.
하지 마. 좀 나 진짜 찍는 거 싫다는데 자꾸 찍고 그러네.
오. Jonathan. Oh. What 5-star hotel is this? Oh.
Take it.
Take it away. Take it.
저거 줄까?
What?
이거 마저 먹어라.
Oh dang. Oh dang. Oh dang. Sorry for the messy setting, but this is my dinner table. We have 영어로 뭐라 그러지?
What?
불고기 덮밥. 불고기 on rice.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got some kimchi. We got some oh dang. We have 파절이는 영어로 뭐지? Green onions?
Green onion.
Green onion kimchi?
Mm-hmm.
And then what's 도라지? What's 도라지?
도라지, I don't know.
도라지가 it's seasoned Seasoned bellflower.
No.
Bellflower?
No.
Isn't bellflower a Pokemon? But that is my dinner. I'm just gonna eat this without recording. Oh. I'm just gonna eat this without recording because I gotta go soon. So I'm back from tutoring and that was tough. Actually tough. This kid that I'm trying to tutor cannot focus and he just has a really hard time listening when I know specifically like he doesn't want to study, and I know that he's tired, but I was kind of like upset with him today because everything that I said he wasn't taking seriously, and that's like disrespecting the tutor and just like me as a person in general. Like I think I just wanted to teach him some manners, and so there was a point in time where I literally like dropped the pencil and I just kind of like sat like with my back against the chair, crossed my arms, and then I was like, all right, well, I'm not gonna help you anymore. And I think he was kind of like shook. This is like my second official week tutoring this kid, and his brother is totally fine. Like an hour with his younger brother goes by so smoothly. It's just when it comes to the older brother, he just gets very distracted. And I think he's purposely distracting himself so he doesn't ever get to like get his work done. But the thing about that too is just like, don't you wanna finish your work so you don't have to worry about this later? That's my logic behind everything. But now I am finally going to Akif and Abdul's apartment and I am ready to sweat my ass off and just de-stress through the gym. Stairmasters are not ready for me because I'm ready to walk away my stress. This has been tough. I'm here.
He's documenting his own arrival.
Peppa. So you're doing legs. What are you doing, Abdul? What are you working out today?
I'm doing
Arms.
arms, of course, but also cardio.
Cardio? What cardio are you doing? The bike?
I'm gonna try going on. I haven't done bike in a while. Let's try bike.
Okay. Ready, everyone? Oh wait, you put it back down.
This is 120. Should be no problem.
120?
Yeah. Alright.
You're asking for it.
Don't hurt it. No. No, you're doing it wrong.
I think 80 is just the right weight. You're asking for it. You're dying for it.
Are you gonna hit me?
Do you want it?
I don't want
Because you're
to.
asking for it. You're dying for it.
Ready, okay, ready? Weightlifter, ready?
That's darling. What are you doing?
Okay, darling. Have some soup, dear. Abdul, let's go 15 minutes.
Okay.
15?
Sure.
Let's go. It's not focusing. "30 seconds. Go, Abby, go. 3, 2, 1. Over.
Sweating. Thanks for that.
Nice. See, we did it. I'm dying. I don't think I can walk down. Honestly, I wanted to give up, but I didn't. Another day, another game. Can't you believe you did that?
Yeah. I listened to you.
Hey, we're helping each other out. Honestly, if you weren't there, I'd probably quit at 13 minutes. I'm being specific because I really wanted to quit at that second. So today we have some rice, chicken, beef, and then, how do you pronounce this again?
Just a yogurt, man.
Yogurt. Yogurt. Eating with the bros.
Yeah.
Bro 1. Bro 2. Wait, do you have orientation tomorrow?
Hey.
And we are watching Sex Education. It is almost 3 a.m. and I'm gonna finish the vlog here. But thank you so much for watching and sticking through if you watched it this far, and I hope I'm getting better at this vlogging stuff. Because it's either I forget to vlog, I feel like the timing is hard for me to pull out my camera, or earlier my battery died and I ran out of storage, so 4 cases. But I think it just depends on how well prepared I am to film and show you all naturally what happens in my life. But I hope I can show you more through this channel, through this vlog. Hope you have a good rest of your night, and I will see you all very, very soon.